Hey, it's 911G, and yeah, welcome to Nightingale. Feel you should catch your vibes and hope you enjoy. Woohoo!
Can I check how many times I've attempted this level?
Yes, you can.
1,742, dude. I have freaking played the crap out of this level.
I just crashed the game.
1742? How many do I have on deadlock?
Your graphic drivers are not up to date. This game will now end. Fuck you. The fuck? I updated my drivers! Now, fuck you. I'm playing without that. You can't stop me! You can't stop me! Damn it! So far, so good. Yes, come on. Yes, it worked. Okay, sweet. Sweet. Early access, motherfucker. Jack of all trades. Yeah, that's me. Yes! Slay King. Slay. Bro's fucking... It's like, bro, where the fuck did my shit come from?
I'm liking this so far.
Did not get to do the playtest, but you know, I'm having fun now. I mean, it's like the first release day. Like, that's the thing. I'm loving this year so far with the games. Like, Howlworld and Nightingale had like their release discount. Oh my god. Currently, I'm feeling the forest. Oh, hi. Backstab. You kind of nerd. Fucked up, son. So creatures like that is what we're fighting. Ah, here's a great place to make a base. Ooh. Oh, okay. Nice goofy house. Basically, my base would be right there. A nice little building spot, like they just made it just for me. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Damn, 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 damn. Damn, they drop a lot of stuff. Cool, I got some roasted meat. Oh, you little motherfucker. Fine, you wanna be a bitch? Come on. Shithead. What do I learn? A lamp? Seriously? A fucking lamp? Gonna give me like a chest or something? Oh, that's cool! I really had a game that did that. That's a really dope-ass weather system. Oh, is there... Ow! Fuck, there's hail! Where's the last one? I know you're hiding on your somewhere, you little bitch. There you are. You really suck at this game and crap. I just want a fucking chest, man. Turn all this shit around. I feel like he's sort of like playing the Tracer Cat right now. That's how I sort of feel when he's doing his little thing.
I guess I can't see the
Big ass tree
What is
timber.
this?
You get bigger things than I do. Oh shit! I almost got healed by a tree.
Load.
Hey, look, a wolf!
Oh! Oh!
Stab!
Why
Stab!
demons? Why demons?
Because you did it wrong!
It didn't even. I was pressing things to see how they work.
Stab! Stab! Stab!
Why would it just tell me you're like, like you have 3 tries?
Stab! Stab! Stab!
My game froze. I'm back.
Oh, there's a wolf there. He's scared of you. Okay, nerd.
Die!
Stab,
Yeah.
stab, stab,
Headshot.
stab.
Headshot. Get him alive! Oh, good night. That time.
I like that you're like off to my right, like very off to my right. Like nope, I didn't.
It's broken. The letter is broken.
The ladder is fucking.
Both
Who
of
broke the
them.
ladder, you fat ass? What's names? Who broke it, you fats?
Why did you get up and not me?
Because
You're
you're
the
holding
one
an
that
umbrella.
we climbed.
You've already
That's
looted
not
this place.
why.
The chest is empty.
Oh, that's the place we just at.
Timber.
Don't land on me.
It's landing on you.
That was so close. I'm not cold anymore. I'm
Right.
gonna burn the house down.
No, I will.
Put up them hands, boy. Oh, you teleported. Pick that back up, it's burning.
I can't pick it back
No,
up,
it
man.
just took 5 damage. What do you mean you got to pick it up?
I can't pick it up.
What have you done?
I lit the
What
house on
is
fire.
this? Oh. That don't make no sense, man. That torch might not come out of the ground unless we take the...
Who's that? Oh, it's coming! They're coming! Oh god!
Oh! Why are you so scared?
I'm worried
of
about
us?
the thing I was following it. That thing! What the fuck? Oh god,
Hit it in the
reloaded!
head. Oh, headshot, baby.
Stab! Stab! Backstab, bitch! Oh!
My
Oh!
game's lagging so
Backstab.
much. I can't
Oh.
like, sleep through the night. Sleep through the night. Come on, wait.
Night?
Can we sleep in the same bed?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
We're all in one sleeping bag.
Yes.
Hey, hey, how's it
Cuddle
going?
up nice and close.
It's like a tight squeeze in here. How's it going? And we become a butterfly and you can't stop me.
What is that?
I'm coming for you,
Yeah, there's
motherfucking
a-
dude!
Yeah, there's a star ping right here.
I will hunt you down like the fucking animal you are! Go back here!
I don't know where
What
you
the
saw a
fuck
chair.
then? What the fuck did... You said you got a chair.
I did not say that. I never said that.
You said you got a chair!
When? Dude, I've never gotten a chair. That doesn't even make sense. Where are you getting this information?
You said you got a chair!
I never said that. Hey, look, bars. They're probably tasty. You think? Big animal fiber.
I don't know. Use one of the tables.
Okay, then.
That was 1,000 damage. What the fuck
Refined
did I just
from
do?
meat. Getting moldy.
You're holding just a piece of meat and a knife. You're just standing there. Yeah, motherfucker.
Menacingly. Hey, but look at my schlangle right here.
Right.
Check this out.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm gonna go shark fishing.
this thing is freaking cool. Look at the reel on it.
I think I sort of get it. It's like a fishing game. It's like an actual fishing game. You don't want the tension to get too high.
Oh, there's tension. I didn't even see that bar. Bruh. Okay, well that makes more sense. I didn't see the tension bar, so I didn't.
It
get
also
it.
costs
What?
stamina, by the way.
It
Whoa.
just dropped on the ground.
That's
That
not
is
a rainbow
not
trout.
a rainbow trout.
That is not
What
a
the
rainbow trout, my guy.
It's a trout and it's a rainbow. I guess that's all that needs.
I got two
You
left,
got 'em
bro.
all. What? You said you were at them all.
Got all the ones that are near me.
And now you're a liar, too. Dang, that's crazy.
I about your motherfucking ass if I wanted to.
Huh?
Exactly.
Can he increases my stamina by 15.
You can regain stamina in the fight, too, I've noticed. You just stop reeling.
How? Oh, really?
You stop clicking the reel. Where's this trout going? He's going on the land. Ooh! Look outside, look outside, look outside!
Okay. Domain?
Ooh. also need more people in the rain. Just turn your fucking mouse, dude.
I got
Listen,
my hands are squishy.
He just broke a tree, bro.
Man, you ugly.
And your mama dead.
What shoe she got on?
Your mama shoes.
That does track.
Yeah.
Little baby furnace.
I was like, it's like, oh, furnace, and I was expecting like a massive furnace like in every other game, but no, it's a little derpy ass furnace.
That's a more logical furnace to have when you're starting out, though. You just farted the mic.
No. Hey yo, what am I finding the bag?
Stand up, turn around.
Look right over the street. I know he's the one of the guardian protectors. Yeah.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. No, no, go back to how you were. I'm gonna screenshot this.
Okay.
No, that's what I call a skill right there.
What am I missing, bro?
Oh,
God, I'm just fishing with my fucking feet, bro.
with your feet, bro. It's between your legs, just like floating on the ground. Your arm is like, both of your arms are like in your hips. That's awesome.
Yeah, I got some work to do if I want to catch up to what we just did. Cause I was basically just speedrunning it because I already had some of the crafting benches. Now I have all of them.
Del Bardi is pretty.
No.
Tell her he is prettiest princess.
I'll show you, pretty
No!
princess.
Oh yeah, well, I just want to be pretty.
You are pretty. Deal with it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are, bitch. Where's finally dying, bro?
Oh, but no, he is dead.
Wow.
You fucking dead.
That and killed him.
I did kill him.
What's wrong
What
with
you
you?
gonna do about it?
Nothing.